The Magical New Year's Eve Adventure. Once upon a time in a small town called Joyville, there lived two best friends named Lily and Oliver. They were always filled with excitement and curiosity, especially when it came to the magical holiday of New Year's Eve. As the calendar pages turned, Lily and Oliver couldn't wait for the clock to strike midnight, signaling the arrival of a brand new year. The town of Joyville buzzed with anticipation, and the air was filled with laughter and joy. On the afternoon of New Year's Eve, Lily and Oliver decided to take a stroll through the enchanted Forest of Dreams. Legend had it that on this special night, the forest became a magical place where dreams came true. As they entered the forest, the trees sparkled with fairy lights, and the ground was covered in a soft blanket of snow. The friends giggled with delight, knowing that something extraordinary was about to happen. Suddenly, a wise old owl named Ollie appeared on a branch, hooting a greeting to Lily and Oliver, children of Joyville. The New Year's Eve magic is about to begin. Follow me, and you'll discover the wonders that await you, said Ollie. With wide eyes and hearts full of excitement, Lily and Oliver followed the wise old owl deeper into the forest. They came across a group of playful woodland creatures who were busy preparing for the grand New Year's Eve celebration.